Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best travel essentials for your journey. Today, we're diving into one of the top-rated items for frequent travelers, the Leantravel Pill Case Organizer with Passport Wallet. If you're looking for a compact, organized, and stylish way to keep your pills, passport, and documents in check during your travels, this is the perfect solution. This Leantravel Pill Organizer is crafted from premium quality polyester fabric, making it both durable and sleek. Its design allows you to carry up to 21 days of vitamins or medication, depending on your needs. With a sleek gray color, it's discreet enough to fit into any suitcase or carry-on without taking up too much space. The compact design ensures it won't add unnecessary bulk, making it ideal for short or extended trips. The organizer comes with individual compartments, each capable of holding multiple pills, ensuring you're always prepared whether you need to take medication once, twice, or even 3 times a day. The removable compartments are made of BPA-free, recyclable plastic, so they are not only safe but also easy to use. Simply pop out the compartment you need for the day and refill it with your medications when required. Closing the compartments is simple, thanks to the easy-to-use latches, ensuring your pills stay secure no matter where you go. Beyond just pill storage, this organizer also features a passport wallet with 5 divisions, making it perfect for stowing away your travel documents, prescription information, and any other essential papers. There's even a pen holder so you can jot down notes on the go. This all-in-one solution keeps everything in one place, and saves you from rummaging through your bag for your passport or pills when you need them. Perfect for any traveler, the Leantravel Pill Case Organizer measures just 7.25 inches by 4 inches by 1 inch. It's incredibly travel-friendly and fits neatly into your bag without occupying too much space. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or a longer international adventure, this organizer helps you stay organized and stress-free. Now, let's talk about the quality. Leantravel has crafted this product with the highest standards, ensuring that you're not just getting a pill organizer but a high-quality travel accessory. It's waterproof, ensuring your medications stay dry even in unpredictable weather conditions. It's clear that this product was designed with both functionality and convenience in mind, making it one of the best choices for frequent travelers. So, whether you're someone who needs daily medication or just a little extra organization while on the go, the Leantravel Pill Case Organizer with Passport Wallet has got you covered. Stay organized, travel smart, and keep everything you need in one secure and stylish place. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on travel products and more. See you next time.